Okay, guys, this is a thermal printer I had ordered from Amazon and it just arrived. Okay, it's brand new. I'm going to unbox it. It is the invoice. Okay, guys. Okay, now. Yes, guys. So, what is this? Full of purpose. Okay. Yes, guys. Now, this is our thing. Okay, our thermal printer. Just taking it out and moving it aside. And this is the bill, I think so, or the invoice and all. Okay, yes, it is the invoice. It cost total 2599 rupees. Okay, I'm just keeping it aside. Now this is our thing, mini receipt printer. Okay, going to unbox it, guys. Yeah, this is a user manual, I think so. Yeah, external printer user manual. I think this is the driver CD. I think so. Yes. And what is this? Uh, okay. Don't know what is that. Anyway, can move to next thing. I think this is warranty card. Ah, yes, this is warranty card. Now I am just moving that all aside. Now this is our thing. Sysno thermal printer. Okay. Now I am taking it outside the box. Okay. Yes, yes, guys. Now this is the thing. Okay. Yeah, below that, I think this is paper rolls. Okay, I'm just taking it out. Okay, yes, guys. Now this is our thing, and we got how many paper? Three rolls, I think so. Not sure about it. I think this is also a paper roll. Then we got three paper rolls. Then this is a power cable, and this is data cable. Okay, USB cable, and this is power cable. Now this is our thing, guys. Okay, we can see here RJ11. I think this is RJ11. This is for drawer. So and this is our USB for data, and this is power. Okay, guys. Now you can see here how to open it. Yeah, guys, you can see, yeah, there is some. Oh, I think this is sample, guys. Okay, self test. Yes, I think the print quality is nice. If it is printed from this printer, I mean this model, then I think it is for better. I mean it is very good. Okay, okay, guys. So anyway, we can see how it will works and all. Okay, guys, these are the folders inside our installation disk, and first one is the driver. Inside that there will be two files, that is POS 58 and 80 series. You want to install according to your series. Mine it is 58, so I already installed this one, so I'm skipping it. Then test tab, you can just copy this .apk file to your smartphone and test your printer using Bluetooth and all. Okay, so again, next you can see tools folder. Inside that you can find some more files. You can see bluetooth.exe, LAN port setting, printer. I'm just opening the printer. Okay, printer. Then you can see there are some settings, and last one you can see a print test. Okay, and cutter test. I'm just clicking on the print test, so I hope I will get a print here. Okay, yes, it is working fine, guys. Okay, so you can see it, guys. Now that's it.